Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Diary Times. Let's start with morning headlines. Fees controlling is a sensitive issue. Education Minister Govind Singh Thakur said that the matter of controlling fees of private school is sensitive. There is a need to take precautions regarding this. The matter is still under discussion. Deep churning is still needed. When asked whether the law is expected to be enacted during the budget session, the education minister said that they can expect legislation to be made in this session. The phase of consultation is still in progress. The government is not in a hurry about this. Himachal artisans create organic shawls worth rupees 1 lakh and mufflers worth rupees 14,000. You might have bought a shawl of 500 to 5 or 6,000 from shops. But do you know that a craftsman of Himachal Pradesh has prepared a 1 lakh rupee shawl? A crowd of people are gathering to see it at Monday's International Shivratri Festival. Mufflers and pattu with the shawls have also been prepared. The price of the muffler ranges from 400 to 14,000 rupees. Shawls 10,000 to 1.05 lakhs and pattu worth 20,000 rupees. There were only 3 shawls of this price range, of which 2 have been sold. Karyan's daughter Rashmi Kashyap became a lieutenant in the army. Ramesha Kashyap, daughter of Vataniyal village of Khairia, Panchayat under Noorpur Development Block, has brightened the name of Noorpur by becoming a lieutenant in the army. Ramesha's father, Kamal Singh, is working as a driver in Jaipur, while his mother is a homemaker. SP Bilaspur of Himachal Pradesh reached Ghumarwin police station at 12 o'clock at night. The SP arrived in his private car alone in the police station Ghumarwin in plain clothes. On reaching the police station, the SP ordered the night duty police personnel, including the SHO, with all the police personnel in the police station within half an hour. A notice was issued to 3 personnel who did not reach the police station on time. BPL list will be reviewed in the first week of April in the state. Government of Himachal Pradesh has issued new guidelines regarding review of BPL families. Now, leaving of fraud BPL families is almost certain. Due to COVID-19, Gram Sabha meetings could not be held in April 2020, due to which ineligibility families are still listed in BPL list and they take advantage of various schemes of the government. Ward sister slapped scavengers started strike. In the zonal hospital Monday, all the 46 sanitation workers of the hospital has started a strike in connection with the incident by the ward sister on the scavenger. The sanitation workers have stopped cleaning in all the 3 shifts in the hospital, due to which the pile of fifth has started due to lack of cleanliness in the hospital. The sanitation workers have demanded the hospital administration to take action on this misbehavior done by the ward sister. There is a village where after 74 years of independence, for the first time water has reached. People are very happy to after getting the water in their village after 74 years of independence in Basnod village of Beghartal, newly constructed and extremely backward panchayat. Baghartal and the youngest head of the state, Anchal Rajput, have solved many years' problem in just 35 days after becoming the head, causing a wave of happiness among the people of Basnod village. The youth leader said that on one hand, the government talks about constructing toilets in every house, and if there is no proper tap facility, then what is the justification for constructing toilets? 30,000 vacancies in Water Power Department, Himachal Pradesh. Water Power Minister Mahendra Singh Thakur said that Himachal's special state status was taken away during the previous Congress government At present, the Modi government at the center has put the central and state share of 90:10 in each of the central schemes by placing Himachal in special category states. The center and the state have a 90:10 in the Water Life Mission in Himachal Pradesh. Death of corona affected elderly in Himachal. 127 new positive including 36 trainee nurses. The report of the corona test of 127 people, including 36 trainee nurses, came up positive on Tuesday in Himachal Pradesh. A new case has come up in 72. Shimla 25, Kangra 14, Bilaspur 4, Solan 4. At the same time, Tanda referred corona positive 85-year-old died from Neerchonk in Monday. 6 trainee nurses came positive here on Monday. This has been confirmed by CMO Una Dr. Raman Kumar Sharma. Pilgrims will not be allowed to enter Himachal for Mandi fair. The Himachal Pradesh government has banned the Baba Holi Mela. This decision has been taken due to the increasing cases of corona. The district administration has banned the mob, temporarily shops and anchoring in the fair area. DC Raghav Sharma said that temporary tents to be hired for the stay of devotees will not be installed in the fair area. Private landowners will be talked in the regard. Aam Aadmi Party will enroll 64 candidates in Himachal Pradesh. In the municipal corporation elections to be held in April, the common man will enroll candidates in 64 wards. Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson Kalyan Bhandari said that the party will not well in the elections. He said that the enthusiastic response received from the voters of Solan, Mandi, Palampur and Dharamshala Municipal Corporation for communicating has proved that the Aam Aadmi Party dominance will be seen in the coming days. Jairam Thakur said will not impose lockdown in the state. Regarding the cases of COVID-19 increasing in Himachal Pradesh, the Chief Minister has said that at present there is no situation like lockdown or curfew in Himachal Pradesh. The government is consulting, monitoring the COVID-19 and instructions have been given to create containment zone in the areas where there are more cases. The increasing cases of COVID-19 will be discussed tomorrow with Prime Minister Narendra Modi through video conferencing of chief ministers of the states, and the instructions that will be given thereafter will be implemented in the state. Himani Chamunda's doors open to devotees. Devotees will not be able to stay in the inn. Temple work also started. The door of the temple of Siddhpreet Adi Himani Chamunda Mata temple situated on the Dholadhar mountain range has been opened for the devotees on the behalf of the administration. The valleys of Himani Chamunda are closed from 25 November to 15 March so that no untoward incident occurs there. Forest Minister Rakesh Pathania took corona vaccine. Last day, Honorable Forest Minister injected the first corona vaccine in the assembly. And also he requested the public to contribute to make the country free of corona through the vaccine. Important steps taken to access forest department activities. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur today launched the Japan International Corporation Agency, also project website to access forestry and other activities under the JICA project in the state. This is an important initiative in view of the digital age. In Rodu, the vehicle going from Chadgaon towards Sodasu fell into a ditch. Two young men of Chadgaon died. In Rodu subdivision, two young men from Chadgaon died in a road accident. The accident is being reported when the two youths were going from Chadgaon towards Sandasu. The COVID positive board examiner will be able to attend examination in a separate room. Special arrangements have been made by the Himachal Pradesh School Education Board Due to COVID-19, this time in the board annual examination starting from April, even if a candidate is found to be COVID positive during the examination, a separate special arrangement will be made on the same day for the examination by the School Education Board of Himachal Pradesh. Shri V.S.K. Komodi, IPS DG, announced HP Police as Police Training College. A symbolic sit-in strike by the General Class Joint Forum in Dharamshala. The symbolic sit-in strike by the General Class Joint Forum in Dharamshala memorandum sent to the Chief Minister through ADM. The General Class Joint Forum was given a 4-hour symbolic strike in the Deputy Commissioner's office regarding their demands. Subsequently, a memorandum was also sent to Chief Minister Jairam through ADM. In the memorandum submitted, the members of the forum expressed their anger at the neglect of the people of the general category. That's all in today's news. For more updates, stay tuned with Diary Times.